Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Katti, Assistant Professor ENC Department, PGMIT Mudod. We'll do the experiment on design of integrator circuit using op-amp 741. Okay, this is your fifth experiment according to a syllabus. Circuit diagram is shown in figure here. Here we have used the 741 op-amp in a inverting configuration and the resistance 100 kilo ohm, capacitor as 0.01 microfarad. Input we are giving it to the inverting terminal, then the output we are measuring across pin number 6 using the CR. Next plus VCC, that is pin number 7, here supply voltage we are giving plus 12 volts, and the pin number 4 we are giving minus 12 volts. Then here VB is equal to 0, that is voltage across the non-inverting terminal is 0. According to virtual ground concept, VA is equal to VB. Okay, since VB is equal to 0, VA and VB both are equal to 0. Then current through the resistor R in is I is equal to V in minus VA divided by R in, where V in is the input voltage, VA is the voltage across inverting terminal. Since VA is equal to 0, I will get it as V in by R in. Call this as equation 1. Then current through the capacitor C is I is equal to C into d by dt of VA minus V naught. VA is equal to 0 here, therefore you will get I as minus C d by dt of V naught. Call this as equation 2. Then equating equations 1 and 2, we will get it as V in by R in is equal to minus C d by dt of V naught. Okay, from this output voltage equation is V naught is equal to minus 1 by R in C integration of V in dt. That means what? Input voltage, the integration of the input voltage, we will get it as the output voltage. Here R and C is the time constant. Okay, suppose if we are giving the input voltage as the square wave, we will get a triangular output as I have shown in the diagram. Expected output waveforms I have shown. If we will give sine wave as the input, we will get cosine output because it is an integrator circuit. If we will give square wave integration, we will get it as the triangular waveform. The integration of sine is cos, therefore output will get a cosine wave when we are giving the input as sine wave. Okay, we will see the connection for this now. Here already I have done the connection for this experiment, that is integrator. Okay, see here, this is I have used the signal generator, a CRO and the DC supply voltage for plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts for pin number 7 and 4 in the op-amp. As well as I have done the connection here, op-amp and the capacitor I have connected between pin number 2 and 6. Resistors I have connected it to the pin number 2. Okay, with this connection, since I have given here the input as the square wave and the output you will get is a triangular waveform. Suppose if I will change the input as, if I will change here the input as the sine wave, you will get output here cosine wave. Okay, input if we are giving the square wave, we will get triangular waveform. Okay, in the square wave, if the positive pulse is there, then you will get a decreasing slope. If the negative pulse is there, you will get increasing slope. Why? Because it is we are operating the integrator in a inverting mode. Therefore, you will get a inverse 180 degree phase shift at the output side. Okay, this is about integrator circuit. Thank you.